Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Colab to query BigQuery with service accounts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the I am an admin section. Click on Service Accounts. Select Create Service Account. Fill in the service account details. Assign the required role for BigQuery. Click Done to create the service account. Now, find your newly created service account and click on it. Go to the Keys tab. Click on Add Key. Select JSON as the key type. A JSON key file will download to your computer. Next, open Google Colab. In a new notebook, start by importing the necessary libraries. Import the google.auth and google.cloud.bigquery libraries. Upload the JSON key file to your Colab environment. Use the file upload function to do this. Now, set the environment variable for authentication. Use the following code snippet: Python import os.environ google_application_credentials equals your _service_account_key.json. Replace your _service_account_key.json with the name of your uploaded key file. Now you can initialize a BigQuery client. Create a BigQuery client using BigQuery client. You are now ready to run queries. Execute your queries using the BigQuery client. Make sure to handle any potential errors that may arise. Finally, verify that your queries return the expected results. You have successfully authorized Colab to query BigQuery using a service account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.